Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Chelsea by KB Home. This is one of their newest community and this is located in Summerlin. And today we are going to feature in my channel their model homes. They have 4 different floor plans and we're going to start with plan 1201. This is a 3-story home, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath and 2-car garage, and the starting price is $369,990. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you how the house looks like. So welcome to the 1201 plan. As you see here, standard with this house is a video doorbell and a keyless entry. As soon as you get in, on your right, you will see the garage, but unfortunately this is locked. So let's go upstairs and check the rest of the house. So the second floor features this open concept. Right here, this is the living room, and on the left side there's a guest bathroom. And then right here there is a coat closet. So right this area, this is the area for your light dining set, and this door is leading to your private balcony. And here you could see the entire neighborhood, you guys. And just look at your modern kitchen. There is this island in the middle, but look at your modern kitchen. Love the blue cabinets, also the box glass. This package of burner, I think this is an upgrade, and this right here, this is a single undermount sink. I love that they added this window on top of the sink. I'm going to show you guys your pantry. Okay, we're going to go to the 3rd floor and check the rest of the house. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the 3rd floor and check the rest of the house. As soon as you landed on the 2nd floor to the 3rd floor, you will see the 1st bedroom right here. And this 1st bedroom, you will see a walk-in closet. And right here, this is a bathroom right across with tub and shower combo and the single sink vanity. Right outside you will see the place for your washer and dryer. And on this side right here, this is your primary bedroom. Right in the primary bedroom is your walk-in closet. And right on this side is your primary bath. Your walk-in shower on this area. And in this primary bath, you will see the dual sink vanity. Again, this is the plan 1201. Starting price is $369,990. And if you are interested of owning one of this home in Chelsea, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.